Watching. So I think I figured out the problem I had in the last stream, where I wasn't getting the internet to work. Let's just test it real quick. See if we could pull up Oddshark. Nice. Okay. So now we could go back to what we were doing. Let me pull out the chat, say what I'm doing. I've previously built a Gaussian process classifier to make picks on NFL games. The classifier... Hello, Ivy. The classifier returns positive each year between 2007 to 2021 when trained on at least 7 years. At least 7 years. Good morning. Today improve the model by 1, adding data for 2022, 2023, and this season, and also by using probability instead of American odds. Okay, so this is data for 2024. You can always play around with the URL. /odds question year 2023. Well, that doesn't do it for us. World? Okay, so let's check. So they're saying week 2, 2022. Let's go to historic betting data. Allow NFL. How do we see historic games? All right, let's go to Oddshark NFL 2022. Here we go. 2022, week 2. All right, Chargers Chiefs. The closing line was 4. Got to set up the timer. What do you mean? What do you mean, Ivy? Okay, so Chargers Chiefs is 3. Here it's 4, right? Nice. Okay. Now we could just put this data in. Home, away, home, open, spread, home, close, spread, away, open, spread, and away, close, spread. Actually, I think, let's see what we called it in the other file. Okay. Road open spread, road close spread. So let's just call this road. Let's look at this one more time. Year, week, yeah. Okay, year, week, date. 2022, week 1. Nine, 8, 2022. Home was Buffalo. Away was the Rams. Home open spread. -1. I mean, week 1's tough because what do you use? The big question is what's the week 1 opening line in the other data set? I'm just gonna go, I guess I'll go with the absolute open. Alright, so home starts as +1, road starts as -1. Let's make these smaller so that it's easier to get them. So go to week 1. All right. Bills, Rams. What's the other data? I want to make sure all the abbreviations are right. Buff and LAR is what I'm going to go with, right? That's what it should be. BUF. Nice. LAR. Good. All right, home, Buffalo, away, Rams. Closed at -2.5 for Buffalo. And +2.5 for the Rams. Okay, am I doing this right? Buffalo versus Rams. It should be the Rams are away, but they might do it backwards. All right. Bills, Rams. Who's home? Let's just go to ESPN. ESPN, NFL. Any new comments? Oh. That's a very interesting equation. I think I'm going to pin that. Thanks. I made it myself. Sways away. All right. What was I doing? That was distracting. Oh, yeah, ESPN NFL. We want to go to 2022. NFL scores, come on. Yeah, we want this season, but we want previous seasons. NFL 2022 ESPN. Oh, so this was Bills at Rams. LAR, BUF. Bills at Rams. Road close spread. I think it should work, but like logically it should work, but I think I tried that before and it didn't work. Ba-ba-da-ba-bing. Road close spread. -2.5. Right? We start with Bills +1. Yeah, so road open spread is +1. And then they ended as... Oh. Week 3, 2024. No, we want week 2 or week 1, 2022. Closed at -2.5 for Buffalo. Oh yeah, that's... Yeah, it did. Yeah, okay. All right, so home close spread, home open spread was -1, home close spread was 2.5. All right, now 2022 week 1, 9/11. Home is Chicago. Man, this is going to be painstaking. I wonder if I can scrape this page. Alright, now I want to see if I could use that scraping app to scrape this stuff. How do you use extensions? Is that on Chrome? I have too many browsers. Page scrape. My recipes. Can't we make a new recipe? Yeah. Type. Choose the type of recipe. Actions to do before scraping. I don't think anything, right? Do these actions after scraping. No, it should be fine. Step 1, rows. Set rows of data to scrape. Select the first row, hovering your mouse. All right. Okay, so it's just finding one. So that's incorrect. Okay, it's having trouble. Okay, cool. Advanced Finder. That's what. Hover and select an element. Hover your mouse over an element. Hit the shift button. Now select one or more elements attributes which uniquely identify the element on the page. Column 1, sorting disabled. Alright, let's go check the messages. Use me equation about nice suit shirt, Mercla XD. Are you Disney? If you in the chat, drop a like and say hello. Thanks. Yay, thanks, hello. Thanks for watching with me. Wait, so you have to hand type some info and not pull using code. Why does it say 0 watching while I'm watching? That's rude. Wait, so you have to hand type some info and not pull using code. Yes. I'm not sure what that means. Hand type? I guess you mean this for the scraping? It would just be a pain in the butt to write the code for that. And some people already wrote some code that has this nice tool that can find stuff for me, but I'm having a harder time on this site. Hover and select an element. Alright. Now select one or more of the element's attributes which uniquely identify the element on the page. No, not the fact that it's column 1. Oh. Oh, very good. That's what we want. TD class. Okay, good. Now we have 562 rows. Is that one for each game? 32 teams. Each team has 17 games in a season. 544. What are the extra ones from? It looks like it's working. Set data for each column to scrape. Here you will specify which part of the page. Easy column finder. Should extract text. Find your element on the page. Did not find an element with the selected extraction method. If you're trying to scrape outside the specified row sections, cancel this dialog and select entire page as container. Okay, I think we have to do this. Cancel the dialog and select entire page as container in advanced settings for the column. Container is entire page. Now, easy column finder. C. No, I think it should be date, the name of the column. Okay, now this C. Okay, it'll mess up the columns. Oh. Gotta do the same thing with advanced settings. Did I reset the clock? Touchdown with the game. From food stamps to a whole nother domain. Wait, where? Modify. Oh, yeah. Rick James, 33 chains. Oceanair. That's a liability. I'm boosting my adrenaline. Advanced Finder. Okay. Let's just get week 2 onward. Fuck it, mask off. Alright. Column 1. Advanced setting, entire page. Add new column. Entire page. Easy column finder. C. Confirm. Nope. Don't need any navigation. Don't need JavaScript. Script for scraping, opening, and closing lines for NFL data from thelines.com. Save. Alright. Now can we... Fuck. Now how did that happen? Okay, let's edit this then. Hover and select an element. The shift button. Now select one or more of the element's attributes, which uniquely identify the element on the page. All right. All right, so that should just get every row that's an element of the table. Right. Can't I just get each row? edit. Okay. C. All right, hover and select an element. Yes, column 1 should give us that. All right, cool. Now let's edit this one. Advanced Finder. Hover and select an element, hit shift. Oops. Column 2 is what identifies it as column 2. No. Save. Now let's see how it works. Okay, date, Thursday. Why does this do that? Okay, back to here. Rows. Let's do advanced row finder. Hover and select an element. Let's just start on this one. Column 1, sorting disabled, TH. Okay, expand selection. Okay. Call me. Okay, that gets every row, every interesting row on the page. TH, column 1, sorting disabled. Okay, now we want to get each data table. Java. Okay, that gets just the first table. Alright, select sibling. Okay, that's confusing me. Thanks, Ivy. All right, I'm just. Right, so it's because it's a TD, right? So, where was the preview? Where was the preview? Isn't that somewhere? I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. All right, so we're trying to figure out how to get these rows. Where did that preview go? Preview. Parent, get parent, go to parent. All right, shift, TD, class equals column 1. Okay. Oh, good. Preview data. Oh, so it puts the whole table in the second column. Everything. So shouldn't it be a row is anywhere where it's TD, and then column 1. All right, let's make. All right, what if we preview the data now? Why does it get the same value for each? Maybe I'm just not going to be able to do this easily. It's not so bad. Okay, maybe now we can mess with this. Delete. Let's try saving this. Let's call it 2022 spreads. EADS. .xlsx. Now we can, how do we open a terminal window? Terminal. Now let's go look at that file. pd.read Excel. This is just 2022 spreads.xlsx. All right, where is it? What did we call it? 2022. Do we have to close this? .22 spreads. Oh, spreads. All right, now we could just say df is equal to this. Oops. All right, then df dot keys df dot date, and then df opening NFL week 2 odds. Whatever. Let's make get rid of these two. I guess we should get a column name. So date was fine. Spread. Exits. Oops. Stupid. Pandas, import. df.spread. Did I not save that? Oh. Okay, so how do we split this up? We have first team, and then we have a plus. So split it on a plus, and then split it on a minus. Okay. Let's just say for row in df, you could just say for spread in df.spread.values, print spread.split on a plus Okay. What if we want to split it on two values? Python split a string on two values. We can split multiple. Oh. Spread. So first we replace. No. How do we do this? If we're just splitting on plus, we get LA Chargers. What if we just say I for I in each I for I in. What if we just do I dot split it on the minus? Oh, duh. LA Chargers 3 at Kansas City Chiefs 3. All right, let's open a new script for this. Okay. Analysis 1. Where's analysis 1? Okay, new file. Clean spreads dot py. Clean spreads. Let's say clean spreads from the lines. Script for cleaning Excel file that contains copy and pasted spread data from copy and pasted opening and closing, opening slash closing, spread data from the lines.com. Okay, data equals, first import pandas. Data equals import pandas as PD. Data equals PD dot read Excel. What's it called again? 2022 spreads. Dot XLSX. Okay, now we have the data. Now for row for spread in row dot data row dot spread for spread in data dot spread dot values. So for each spread we'll just do the same thing. Maybe we want to get the home and away teams first. Okay, check the chat. No new chats. Start the timer. All right. Okay, so first we should probably get the home and away teams. Print spread dot split it on at. Now what's that look like? Exit, and let's run the script. Clean spreads from the lines.py. New England, oh. Okay, so that creates the problem. Oh, we could just split on space at space. Okay, now the Patriots doesn't get split up. Now we just get away team with and then you get the home team with the home team spread. Gotta change the song. Okay, so we've got, now we have to pull the team name out. Could just put valid team names. All right. Arizona Cardinals. I don't know if that'll be useful. So we have the away team. All right. Then instead of printing that, we could say away home is equal to that. And then if, okay. Maybe then let's just print away dot split and split it on the plus sign. Okay, so if it splits, so let's just say is equal to away. Oh. Maybe it has to be a list. Away dot split. Tampa Bay Buccaneers minus 3.5. Okay. Now we could also print whether that of 0 is equal to the original. Good. Okay. If away dot split, so if it's equal, then fave is equal to home. If away.split plus of 0 is equal to away, then fave is home, else their fave should be away. Okay, so then the other if capital PK in away, fave equals none. Okay, if away.split is equal to away and PK isn't in there, then fave is equal to away. Else, let's just add that in later. Fave is equal to home, and then down here we could say, oh, by the way, if PK is in there, then fave is none. Is there ever just a pick where it's, oh, okay, so sometimes it's capital, sometimes it's lowercase, or PK in away. All right, then all right, what's that look like? Let's just run it real quick. Should be the same thing, yeah. Okay, so we've determined the favorite. And then we could just say away spread is equal to away dot split away dot replace. Okay, now we could replace pluses with minuses, and then we could say split on the minus. Okay, and then home spread is just the same thing except for home. And then we want to print, oh, then let's get the away team is equal to away team away spread is that, and then home team home spread. Then we want to print away team. Let's print spread, and then we want to print away team. home team, away spread, home spread. Okay, then if fave is equal to away, then we want to correct away spread times equals -1. So make it negative. Else elif fave is equal to home. Then do that to the home spread. Otherwise, if there isn't a favorite, away spread is equal to home spread is equal to 0. Time after time. All right, let's put the debugger in there. If we replace it, and then split it on the minus, yeah, so what's the problem? Falcons at Rams. Okay. So it gives an error after Falcons at Rams. Probably because that's when the pick is. Yep. Oh. Okay, so if fave is not none, do this. All right, else, if fave is none, then away spread equals home spread equals 0. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, so the string is LA Chargers +3 at Kansas City Chiefs -3. Then we have the away team is LA Chargers, correct. The home team is Kansas City Chiefs, correct. The away spread, away spread is equal to home spread is equal to 0. What's the error? Why are we just getting one number? Tampa Bay Buccaneers, New Orleans Saints. All right, let's see if we have any new comments. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay. All right, so the thing we're trying to figure out right here is why is there only one value for spread if fave is not equal to none. Otherwise, if fave is equal to none, then do this. Okay, let's just go C spread and enumerate if C is equal to 0. Put in the debugger. Rejoignez-moi. Okay. Away spread. Home spread. Aha. Away spread is equal to float of away spread. Home spread is equal to float of home spread. Continue. Alabama, rejoignez-moi. Nice. And then what about for that one? It should be 0 when it was a pick. Cincinnati Bengals pick at Dallas Cowboys. Oh. Washington Commanders, Detroit Lions. So those, it's all right up until... So we're getting the right values here. Commanders, Lions, Commanders, Lions. But then once we hit this game, the pick, it gives the previous home team and previous away team. Oh, because we still need the home and away team. Let me go to the bathroom real quick. Oh. Crap. Oh. Good. Okay, so we basically were just getting, we're saying if fave is none, but here fave is none, so we're not getting the home and away teams. Oops. Okay, now we just want to go through and replace everything it could be with nothing. So replace capital P lowercase k with nothing. Replace a space with nothing. And finally replace lowercase p lowercase p lowercase k with nothing. Same thing for the home team. Alabama, rejoins-moi. Alabama, juste toi et moi. Alabama, juste toi et moi. Alright, get rid of that one. Cincinnati Bengals. Okay, how do we get the end space? We should probably strip everything. Very good. Okay, now I'm just making a dictionary with the data labels we want. Each data label, the value for each data label, which is a key, should be an empty list. So we could store our data in the list. So home, away, home, open, spread, road, open, spread. Okay, so then new data of home dot append home team, new data of away dot append away team, home open spread dot append home spread, and then new data of home, road open spread. Okay, take that out. Now we could just say new data dot to CSV to Excel, clean, open, spreads dot XLSX. df equals pd dot data frame of new data. Okay, what do we call that again? Oh, right, it's an Excel. Home, away. Oops. All right, so that works well. Now let's go get the other stuff from that data. Do we get rid of that window? Okay, week 3. Okay. I want that paste as a table. Nice. Alright, week 5. Alright, week 6. Week 7. Week 8. Damn it. Why does it do that? Week 10. So this is kind of boring, but once I manually take all of this data, we don't have to think anymore, and then we'll have old data from, the big problem right now is that I only have data going through 2021. So if I'm saying, oh, this is a good strategy, what grounds do I have to say that on? Basically, I'm unable to implement any strategy for this season. Right now, I'm incapable of it. To implement a Gaussian process classifier for this strategy because I don't have data for 2022 and 2023. So then I'm just saying, oh, this is a strategy that worked really well up until 3 years ago, which doesn't really mean anything. And I tested this. If you watched my stream during week 1, I tested this to see if it would work if I removed the last 2 seasons of training data. How does 2021 do when trained on 2012 through 2019? And it turns out not well. So you kind of need that recent data in there to make good picks. And that's what my ultimate goal is to use this model to make some picks. Now this isn't moneyline data. This is only spreads. Okay, now let's go to 2023. No page found, damn it. NFL opening, closing lines 2023. Okay, this site does have it. For every game, week, season, opening, NFL lines every game, week, season, opening. Maybe I took out the slash. Oh, now they added start time. Alright. That's fine. We could just make a different script for each. Save. What is happening? Alright, now let's go over here. Where the hell is our script? Clean open spreads. All right. Now, let's run that script on all the data we have. Print C spread. All right, we're getting an error somewhere in there. Oh, okay. Oh. Dash OTB, what does that mean? Shouldn't have closed that. OTB. What does that mean? So how do we represent an off-the-board value? Okay, let's just put the debugger in. All right, print that. If OTB in spread or lowercase in spread. Let's just say put in the debugger. All right, now spread. All right, away, home, dot splits. What? What's that, I just don't get, what is that character? All right, what if we just replace it with nothing? What is that called? Dash hyphen. How do we find that character? Oh, nice. Strip. Yeah. And then home is equal to home dot split it on the index, get the 0th element, and then strip. Oh. Away spread is equal to np.nan. Here we need np, import numpy as np. np.nan. If OTB and spread. If fave is not equal to none. So we want to skip all that stuff. Fave is equal to none. And then here we could say if OTB in spread pass, otherwise do that. If fave is not equal to none, but fave is none. Okay. Then we should just take this stuff So what's happening? Why isn't this saving? Line 32 for module. If fave is not equal to none, alright, let's just get rid of that. Put it in. Right there. Alright, so spread. Oops. Then we'll say if OTB and spread, put the debugger in. Now let's run it again. What? Clean spread from clean spreads. Why isn't this saving? Okay, so it's all in there. Print C spread. Away. Alright, I have to set my fantasy lineups. Let me check. Is there any chats? Nope. Okay. So the next thing to do is figure out what's going on with this line that's causing that failure. But I have to go set my fantasy lineups before the games start. Charbonnet. Nice. Then do I go Darnold or Richardson? Richardson's playing Chicago. Richardson's a big question mark. He got 32 points week 1, 12 points week 2. Darnold, 16 points week 1, 24 points week 2. Houston, they're playing Houston. It should be a shootout. I like that. Okay, that lineup looks good. team. Nice. Jets defense balled out on Thursday. Okay. The only question is, do I put in Keon Coleman for somebody? San Francisco's defense is going to ball out today, though. But the Rams, that's going to be a good game. The Rams just got crushed by the Cardinals. Okay. Those lineups are good. How did that happen? Dallas Cowboys. Oh, come on. Wait, no, that's right. LA Chargers. Okay. So that's one error. No, don't want to go there. Dallas Cowboys. Should just be able to manually change that. Same thing in 51. No, 52. Atlanta Falcons. Atlanta Falcons plus 10.5. Okay, what happened there? Sunday, October 9th. October 9th. Houston Texans plus 3. Alright, so then we just have to add in at Tampa Bay Buccaneers. So we need the game before that. So the Buccaneers didn't have a line. You could just make theirs the opposite. Minus 10.5. Okay, 198. Oh, okay, then at 198 it suddenly switches to be versus. What a weird... Why can't they have their data be uniform? Cincinnati Bengals versus New England Patriots. Come on, load. All right, 2022 season. Oh. Yeah, this is 2022. December 24th. So it's towards the end of the season. Bengals at Patriots. Yeah, weird. Okay, fingers crossed there's no more problems in there. Alright, 211. Same problem. Colts at Giants, let's just make sure. Colts at Giants. Yep. $234, same problem. At, same thing here. All right, let me just make sure these are right. We don't want to mess up our data. This is the easiest way to just check right now. All right, where are the verses? What was the error on? Wasn't it a Chiefs game? Chiefs and Raiders. Oh no, no, that's right. All right, Cowboys at Commanders. Let's just see if that's what the issue is. Yep, Cowboys at Commanders. Cardinals at 49ers. Yep. Panthers at Saints. Yep. Bucks at Falcons. Bucks at Falcons. Yep. Chargers at Broncos. Yep. Okay. So we could just change all of these. Nice. Nice. All right, here's 2023 data. Geez, these games are taking off quick. Darnold's in the red zone already. All right. So we have 2022 data cleaned up. NFL 2022 opening money lines. We want money lines, not spreads. Yes. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Oh, I hope I don't need a membership. What is going on? Can we put... I wonder... if this is scrapable. Maybe it doesn't want to let the scraping on here. New recipe. Type. list search page. After scraping, oh, you have to pay for that. Okay. Okay, so it says 51 rows, but we really should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 rows. Hover and select an element. 1. Oh, shift. Now 181 rows. Maybe we could just get this. "51 rows. That's fine. Columns. Can I ignore image data? 5 items of similar type found. Alright, get rid of that. More options. Alright, any new chats? I'm just imagining an actual... Well, that would be scary. What's that mean, boom? Oh, that site. Well, the good thing is they don't set things up well. So we could just take it, like the other site. I guess betting sites don't protect their data at all. Because look at this. How do we get this? Go back to rows. Advanced row finder. Style. So I guess it's just hard to scrape because they don't have any CSS classes. Let's get rid of this. What if we just copy this? Into Excel. Copy. Let's put it into a new file. Come on, please paste nicely. Do we have a text? No. maybe we can copy it differently. Copy. Paste special. I wonder. So we have this. This is a big mess. Yeah, like how do we even do anything with this? Unless we print it. Let's try printing it. Print 2. Yeah, okay, we could save as PDF. Alright, we'll just put it in there. Now let's go look at it. Where did we put it again? Thumbnails. Okay, does this paste any easier? Nope, that's a nightmare. Carolina, Atlanta. Carolina, Detroit, Kansas City. Okay, then we get all these for the middle game. I mean, it might be easiest just to manually put it in. Year, week, home, away, home, open, spread, road, open, spread, home, close, spread, road, close, spread. Okay. And then, is it home open odds? Yeah. Okay, home open odds, home close odds, home open road open odds, road close odds, let's just go look at data. Opening total, closing total. Okay. Week 1, 2023. Week 1. Week. Year 2023. Week 1. Home. Detroit. Detroit at Kansas City. Who was home? Who was away for this game? Okay, let's check the chat. I don't know. I guess people don't like those names. So 2022, let's instead get 2023. Week 1, Lions at Chiefs. Okay, cool. Detroit at Kansas City. Home open spread minus 4.5. Road open spread was plus 4.5. Detroit at, yeah. Home close. And Detroit won this game, I remember. Oh, damn it. That's just the odds. What am I doing? One of my dumbest moments. NFL scores 2023. Ended at plus minus 4. Could that be the opening? The opening spread. Please let it be the opening spread. Okay, Arizona, Washington is at 7. Okay, so these are, maybe they're just different from the odd shark lines. Lions, Chiefs. What was the money line at? They don't give that. All right, Carolina, Atlanta, 3.5, 3.5. Cincinnati, Cleveland, 2.5, 1. Texans, Ravens, 9.5. Yeah. Jags, Indiana, 5.5, 3.5. Okay, so these might be the opening. These are either the opening spreads or there's a significant difference between this and odd shark. Okay, spread was that 1 for San Francisco, Pittsburgh. Spread's at 1. Spread here is at 2.5. Total at 41.5. That's right on. Okay. Bucks, Vikings. 5.5, 4, 45, 40. Okay, so what if we go here, season, let's go this season, week 1 odds. Oh, it's loading. Come on. Both fantasy teams are doing really well. All right, so they have Baltimore, Kansas City at 2.5. Now, if I go to my data, Baltimore, Kansas City, what are those teams? Chiefs, Ravens. Ravens at Chiefs. Oh, okay, I didn't get that because that was the first game. Did I put it in here? Nope. Okay. Tennessee, Chicago. Let's look at that one. Oh no, it's gonna hate that app. It's terrible. Okay. Here they're showing them at 3.5. So where is that up? It's got to be the closing line. Oh. It's right there. I can't tell if this is the opening or closing line. I kind of think it's the closing line. (2023) NFL opening money lines. Opening odds and betting lines. I hope they have it. Is this before the season starts? Football season is set to best sports betting apps. So that is the same information. We can already access it at that other site. So this has opening odds for the last week of this season. Week 18. Okay, so we could check to see if that lines up. That's what we want. Okay. This is just stupid. It's before the season starts. What good does that do us? None. Okay, so we've run into a big, huge problem, which is that I can't get the data. We can get lines data. So I think, come on. Where's OneNote? Yeah. I mean, this doesn't do much for us. All right. That's just more stories. Is there a link to the next week at the bottom? Nope. Okay, data problem. Okay, so we cannot find moneyline data for 2022 and 2023, although I can find spread opening and closing spread data for these seasons. Next, get GPC to work on spread data, incorporate new spread data, and then we will be good to make picks with GPC on this season. Okay, so we've got 2022 opening lines. Now we need 2023 opening lines. I don't know, I'm tired. Should we stop now or get 2023? Let's just do it. I'm gonna take a break and go to the bathroom first, though. All right. So now we've got to do the same thing, but scrape other data. So clean open spreads. Clean open spreads 2022. Okay. Let's make a new one. New. This will just be 2023 spreads. Where's our site? Okay, so it's the same thing, except now there's a start time. Oh. Hell yeah. Don't even need to put it in a different sheet. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it all in the same sheet. I'm gonna put it, oops. I'm gonna put it all in one sheet. And then delete the middle column. And we should be good. This is nice. This won't take long at all. Okay, week 3. Week 5. Week 6. Week 7. Good Lord, if you turn on Yahoo Fantasy notifications, they give them to you non-stop. Week 8. Week 9. Week 10. I also think it'd be cool to do, so I'm just sitting here doing nothing, may as well blab about my other ideas. So I have some code that scrapes win probabilities from ESPN.com. What I think would be cool is to do a Gaussian process regression for each team's win probability over the season. And then for any game, you could say, okay, here's the home team's Gaussian process regression just gives you like an uncertain model over time. So it projects what future win probabilities will be based on the current win probabilities and like the current shape of the win probability graph. And so I'm thinking we could have a Gaussian process regression to use a Gaussian process to model, each team's win probability over time. And then as the game's going on, we could say, okay, here's the projected home team win probability, and here's the projected away team win probability. And then based on those uncertainties, make some picks. So that's an idea for in-game betting. Another idea for in-game betting is everyone talks about making plus EV picks. But it's all about making plus EV picks before the game. It seems to me like you should, as the game goes on, also take every single plus EV pick that's available to you. Oh no. This could be bad. Are these really the opening lines? So January 7th, Seahawks favored by 4.5 at the Cardinals. Are those the lines like the week before? Or is it the final line? Let's go look. Let's go look at what the final line is. Seahawks, Cardinals, 2024 odds, January. Arizona +3. Oh, that could be the opening odds. We could test it by finding a team who did really poorly or really well okay, Jets. Broncos sucked too. Lions at Cowboys. Oh wait, we're in 2022. Yeah. All right. So what's one that was bad? Bears, Packers, Vikings, Lions, Cowboys, Commanders, Eagles, Giants. Oh man, the Eagles kind of sucked towards the end too. NFL. How do we find historic odds? Odd Shark NFL odds 2023. Last week of the season. Texans, Colts. Texans were a slight favorite. If we look here, Texans, Colts. I'm nervous because it says start time TBD, and if it was the week before, I think we should know the start time. Texans, Colts. Texans plus 1.5. Now, is there any reason the Texans would open at that? Why would the Texans open as dogs? They were good last year. Rams, Niners, Seahawks, Cardinals, Chiefs, Chargers, Broncos, Raiders. Broncos, Raiders. -3 for the Raiders. Yeah. I think those are the lines from before the season. So let's check 2022. Are we screwed for that as well? All right, Chiefs, Raiders. Chiefs opened as 8.5 favorites. Chiefs, Raiders. Should have been bigger than 2-point favorites. Rams, Seahawks. Rams favored by 5.5. Seahawks favored by 4.5. Rams. Rams -5.5. Seahawks -4.5. Yeah. Damn it. Okay, we're back to square one. I couldn't find any data. I think that's going to be it for now. The games are underway. So I continue on my quest for data from 2022 and 2023. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Go to my GitHub. Star the repositories. You could get NFL data 2007 through 2021 of opening, closing, lines, totals, money lines. Go here. GitHub. Go to Physics Lifter. Oh. Where is it? GitHub. All right. I think I could just go HTTPS. github.com/physicslifter. And go to this repository. This has all the data you want. It's all stored in this Excel file. Actually, this Excel file right here, data.xlsx, is the same as this one that I have right here. So you could go in, get that, do your own analysis. As for now, thanks for watching.